So I'm going to show you how to create a choice board. So this is one that I created for next week, an agenda for next week. So what a choice board is it's different buttons on a page that links to other pages. So for example, if I click this button here, it's going to my slide deck on electricity and circuits. If I click this one here, it's going to a Google form for them to fill out, and so on. So it could be an agenda. I've also made a bonus choice board for them. So once they're done their work, they could do a few extra things. So I have a problem of the week. I have a riddle for them to watch. TED Ed is a great website that has a lot of riddles that the students could do. So now I'm going to create my choice board. So I'm going to go to my Drive. I'm going to create a new Google slide. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the dimensions. The reason why I'm doing that is because it just fits the squares a little bit better. I'm going to turn it into a page that's about the size of a paper. Click apply. I'm going to delete whatever is there right now. And now I'm ready to go. So I'm going to insert a shape, a rectangle. I'm going to change the fill color to something nice. I don't want a border. So there's my banner. Now I'm going to create my buttons. Add a shape, rectangle, and make square. Oops. I'll put transparent. I'm going to copy it. Oops. Copy, paste. Okay, if you don't want to copy each one individually, you can copy the entire thing. Drag that down. Drag that down. And there we go. So now I'm going to create one of my buttons. So I'm going to use some icons. I'm going to go insert, image, search the web, and I'm going to look up electricity icon. The reason why I say icon afterwards is because that will give me something that doesn't have a background, so there isn't white here. So I'm going to adjust that. I'm going to insert a text box. Okay, so now I'm ready to turn that into a link. So I'm going to copy one of these boxes. I'm going to paste the box. I'm going to put it over my button, and I'm going to turn it into something that's transparent. Okay, so now I can link this. So now the entire button will be linked, and I can link this to my Google Slides. So if I go into my Drive, something important that you need to do is you need to make sure that this is a shareable link so that your links all work. So I'm going to right click, get shareable link. I need to turn that on, and then I can copy and paste this. So I've copied it. I right click here. I say link, paste the link, and apply. So now that is linked to there. Okay, if you want to link in a Google form, you can do that too. So we'll make one more button here. Insert, image, search the web, calculator icon. You could add some text there saying complete the Google form or whatever you'd like. Okay, so I've created my icon, I've inserted that, and now I'm ready to create my button and link it. So I'm going to copy that again. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to make sure it's transparent. And now I'm going to connect it to my link. So I'm going to go to my Google form here. So what you do not want to do when it's a Google form is right click and get shareable link. That's going to get your students access to your master copy. So you don't want to do that. You want to open it up, click send, go to the link here, copy that, right click, link, and paste. All right, so now let's say you're done everything, you've put in a title, you've completed all your buttons, and you're ready for students to access this. So you're going to say File, Publish to Web, Publish, yes. And now you can copy that. You're going to go to Classroom. You're going to say Create, Material, Add, Link, and you will say Post. And then they will be able to go in and all the buttons will work. Go to that. Go to that. And there you go. That's how you. So a couple of things to note. If you want to work in collaboration with other teachers and use one agenda, you can share this with everyone either by putting this in a shared folder or by sharing the actual Google slide with everyone. And what is pretty cool is that once you have published this, you can make changes to it and it will show up in the published version. So for example, one teacher can post this on their Google Classroom. Another teacher 2 days later can take one of the squares and turn that into a button for their class, and it will update automatically. So that is how you make a choice board.